Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can delete your Google Chrome search history. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Google Chrome. As you can see, I have opened the Google Chrome. Now what you need to do, you have to right click on these three dots. After that, you have to click on the search history. And after that, you have to click on the history. As you can see, the shortcut key of this is Control H. You have to press on this. After pressing on this, as you can see, you will see your whole search history. As you can see, you will see your all search history here. If you want to see the by date, you can see through by date. If you want to see the by group, you can also see that by group, as you can see. So if you want to delete this one, for example, I want to delete this one, so I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, I'm going to has option like remove bookmark, remove from history, or remove from the site. And in this way, you can delete the search history. For example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll this. After scrolling this, as you can see, I'm going to click on this, and now I want to delete this. As you can see, as the button for the delete, and I have selected three search histories, so let's click on the delete and then remove, and that's it. If you want to clear the browsing history, you have to click on this. As you can see, it will ask you some options like for the last 3 weeks or the last 24 days. You just have to select the duration. After selecting the duration, you have to click on the clear data, and all the data will be removed. Whole your search history will be removed. In this way, you can remove your search history, you delete your search history. Let's go to the back, and here are some basic options like select it, and then I am going to select this again, and now click on the delete, and now remove. It's removed again. So in this way, you can delete your search history. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.